Hey guys, hello. Today I will show you about Khmer cooking, like meal. We call the Khmer Som Lor Majou tray. Uh, and ingredient have some different water, fish, potato. I don't know the English call this one. For the finally and garlic, chili, sugar, roti, brohok, ampal, michu ampal, and ajinomoto, and Khmer sauce. First, we must start to cook the water until hot water. This water so a lot, and then only little keep for it, and we wait until the water hot to come outside, and we put some ingredient. And now everyone, the water is hot, and first one we need to put inside the water like garlic. A lot is so nice. I like a lot. And the second, this one we call the Prahok Khmer. Okay, some of it, if not strong, we put more. Smells so good. Good smell. Wow, good smell. See? And this is my way. First I put the roti. Sorry. Some ajinomoto and little sugar. And we put the fish inside. Wow, smell so good. Good smell of this one. Okay. And now we wait until the good smell is come outside. Add more. I put some tray, we call Khmer tray. Smells so good. We wait until her fish is cooked. We add the potato and some chili and ampal tum. Oh, smells so good. We add more the brohok. We need the brohok. I try. Delicious. So cute. See the color You see? Wow. Wow. So nice. And then I put the potato. We don't keep long. Only maybe 3 minutes or 5 minutes. And I put the chili. Oh, so nice. See? And then after cooking already, we put this one we call it ampeltum, and the last. And then now we start put this one. Oh. The first little. Put the hot water inside it. Okay. And we mix it with water, with hot water, for the taste come out. We put this one for sour. Okay, and finally we put mom to finish. Cook already. Oh, so nice. You see? You see, everyone? You see? Very good Khmer food, very good. Okay, thank you for watching. I will see you next the video. So please subscribe for more video. Thank you. Okay, finally. So good. See? You see? Oh, and we start lunch.